Again, I have predicted this question before your exam. A light ray enters in a right angled prism. That means angle of prism is 90 degree. And you all know angle of prism is equal to R1 plus R2. If this is R1 and this is R2. Okay. And this is I1 and this is I2. You all know this from the basics physics of prism. Angle of incidence is 30 degree, that is I1 equal to 30 degree. Okay. And it travels through a prism parallel to the base, okay, parallel to the base, and emerges from the face AC, that is perpendicularly, that is I2 is equal to 90 degree. So the refractive index of the prism is what? This is a little bit difficult question because the calculation is like this: A is equal to R1 plus R2, so 90 degree is equal to R1 plus R2. So this is the number one equation, and if you apply the Snell's law for this surface, so mu1, that is AR, sine I, that is 30, is equal to mu of the prism into sine R1. So sine 30 means half is equal to mu sine R1. Okay. This is the number 2 equation, and for refraction for this surface, mu into Snell's law, mu into sine R2 is equal to 1 into, that is 1 means AR, into sine I2, that is sine 90, that is also 1. So mu is equal to sine R2 equal to 1. This is number 3 equation. Okay. Now the calculation is little bit difficult because you know this is mu into sine R2 is equal to this, but you know what is the relation between R1 and R2? 90 is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay. So R2 is equal to 90 minus R1. So here sine R2 means sine 90 minus R1, that is cos R1. Sine R2 means sine 90 minus R1, that is cos R1 equal to 1 by mu. Okay. So if you solve these two equations, okay, if you solve these two equations like this, you know, I am solving this, half is equal to mu into sine R1. Sine R1 means root over 1 minus cos square R1. Cos square R1 means 1 by mu square. I am repeating once again. Half is equal to mu into sine R1, and you all know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sine R1 equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 by mu. So here if you solve this, you will get mu is equal to root over 5 by 4, so root 5 by 2. So the correct answer will be option 2. Okay.